Calibrating your spreader. Today we're going to be talking about something simple but essential for any turf management role: calibrating your spreader. Whether you're working with fertiliser, seed or a top dressing mix, getting your spreader set up correctly will enable your turf to get the treatment it needs. Many spreaders come with a numbered or lettered setting that controls how much material is spread. Some models even come with a calibration key to help you make sure that you're on the right setting. If your spreader has a key, all you have to do is insert the key into the gated slot inside the spreader, checking if the settings match. If it doesn't, adjust it until it does, and you're good to go. But what if your spreader doesn't have a key? In this case, you can calibrate it manually. First, look at the bag of fertiliser or seed that you're using. It'll tell you the size of the material and how much you need to apply per square metre. Then cut out 1 square metre of tarpaulin, old bedsheet or any similar material. Lay it on the ground. It's important you do this on a hard standing surface so you can collect with a brush any material that overshoots the sheeting afterwards. Now pass over the sheet with the gate open on your spreader just like you would on the turf with your material inside of the spreader. Next, gather up what you've applied and weigh it. Subtract the weight of the sheet itself and compare the results to the application rate on the bag. If it's heavier than it should be, dial the settings down. If it's lighter, turn the settings up. Once the weight is right, you're ready to start treating the entire area. Calibrating your spreader takes a few extra minutes, but it guarantees that your fertiliser, seed or sand is applied evenly and correctly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We have plenty more short, helpful, educational content on our channel.